We have devised a new, innovative way of reducing taxes. Taxes deserve detox. My name is Ludo Kanik, and I'm the leader of a political party called Demokrati Slovenska. When I held the post of Labour Minister, we introduced pension reforms which allowed people to secure better pensions. The main aim of our project is a fairer distribution of incomes and wealth in society, to increase the incomes of employees, reduce costs for employers, improve the business environment, reduce the unemployment rate, create new jobs, and improve the situation of the middle class. A significant reduction in the burden of taxes and levies without losses to public revenues. Is this at all possible? Our proposal makes this fundamental change feasible. Whom will this solution help? Entrepreneurs, sole traders, employees, all ordinary people who work. How can such a radical reduction in the tax burden possibly be achieved? By implementing a withholding turnover smart tax, amounting to 0.2% of each non-cash payment. Such a low tax on each non-cash transaction will generate €2 billion a year in Slovakia. These revenues will be used to compensate for the loss of revenues from the 30% levies collected from working citizens today. This is how it can function in any country with a developed non-cash payment system. What will be the benefits? Countering increasing income inequality. Middle and lower income groups will pay €2 billion less in taxes and levies than they do now. This will be compensated for by financial corporations which make large and frequent financial transactions. The incomes of middle and lower income groups will grow, and those of the financial elite will drop. The smart tax will be collected automatically by deducting a small amount from each non-cash transaction and cannot be circumvented. The administration, collection and supervision of this tax require almost no bureaucratic apparatus. Everything is done automatically. No tax returns, arrears or refunds. A low rate that an ordinary citizen will not notice. 0.2% of each non-cash payment levied at source. We want the state to help people, to protect their freedom, not to burden them with high taxes and levies. We want the authorities to provide people with quality services. We want entrepreneurs to have good conditions for achieving success. And we want everyone who works to be able to ensure a decent life without having to worry about the future. We therefore need to gain political power in the election to push the idea through. For this reason, we need to raise enough money for a campaign to promote this idea we want to get into Parliament. Push the proposal forward, help form a government, introduce a new tax system, change income and wealth distribution in society, and in this way help Slovakia to achieve further economic growth. We also want to set a positive example to the whole world, to demonstrate how this new taxation method can reduce the burden of taxes and levies on middle and lower income groups. How to redistribute income more fairly in society, and how increasing income inequality in a globalized world can be reduced. Slovakia can serve as a laboratory which will prove the correctness and feasibility of this idea and its positive impact on the economy and the living conditions of almost the entire population. For this, we need your help.